Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials so you don't waste time. You need the original voice file or message ready to replay and your device charged above 20%. Once done, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular signal. Check the specific app and recent updates or permissions. This matters because many issues stem from revoked microphone, storage, or background data access. Now open the app and navigate directly to the voice message thread to start targeted fixes. You'll now diagnose the core problem by isolating variables. First, play the message in the app. If it fails, export or save the file locally to test in a different player, because this separates app bugs from file corruption. Next, toggle permissions for microphone and storage, force quit and relaunch the app, and restart your device. If you suspect format issues, convert the file to MP3 or OGG and test again. This fixes many compatibility errors and clarifies whether the message or app is at fault. You finish by restoring normal operation and verifying success. If the message still won't play, clear the app cache or reinstall the app to remove corrupted settings. Once done, resend or reupload the corrected file and confirm the recipient can play it. Make sure to check audio volume and speaker selection as a quick sanity check. If problems persist, test the file and playback on another device or account. This single troubleshooting step tells you whether the issue is local, account level, or the message itself.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.